Hey students, welcome back, welcome again. So we are back in action with OXYACIDS of phosphorus, and today we will discuss how to sketch the structure and justify the basicity. So if you are about to sketch any phosphoric acid or any oxoacid of phosphorus, first of all you need to know the basics. The basic is what? Phosphorus is pentavalent. In all these cases, in all the oxyacids of phosphorus, phosphorus is what? Pentavalent. However, it is also trivalent, but not here. Oxygen is divalent, it will form two bonds. Hydrogen forms a single bond. That is the basic bonding we will apply. Now, what is the trick? Whenever you want to sketch any structure regarding this, first of all, phosphorus will be our central atom. One oxygen will be attached with a double bond. The rest of the oxygens will be attached in the form of OH. Now consider hypophosphorus acid. Phosphorus, oxygen, double bond. How many oxygens are left? One oxygen is left, therefore it will attach in the form of OH. Now what is left? Hydrogen is left. Two hydrogens are left that will get attached from the phosphorus, and your structure is ready. Now look here, phosphorus has 5 bonds, oxygen has 2 bonds, and hydrogen has a single bond. Each and every atom is satisfied. The number of OH group present in this structure will give us the idea of basicity. There is only one OH, hence basicity will be 1. Okay, now moving on to the next one. I just want to say you just pause this video and try all these structures and try to judge the basicity. Now, orthophosphorus acid, phosphorus in the center first of all, then oxygen with a double bond. How many oxygens are left? 2 oxygens are left, therefore 2 OH group. Now one hydrogen is left which will get attached with the phosphorus. Basicity will be 2, as simple as that. Next is orthophosphoric acid. Now look here, phosphorus and oxygen with a double bond. Now 3 oxygen and 3 hydrogen. That will give us what? 3 OH groups. So 1 OH, 2 OH and 3 OH. Now the basicity turning out to be 3 OH groups, hence basicity is 3. Next is pyrophosphoric acid. It is a different case but not so different. We have 2 phosphorus here and 7 oxygens along with 4 hydrogens. First of all, we will distribute oxygen and hydrogen equally between the phosphorus. Now look here, we have 2 phosphorus, this one is P, this one is P. Now 7 oxygens are there, so 3 for this phosphorus and 3 for this one. Now 1 oxygen is left, so we will distribute it in between the phosphorus. So this one comes in between. Okay, now we will start the bonding. One more thing, there are 4 hydrogens, so 2 hydrogen to this side and 2 hydrogen to this side. Let us start the bonding. Phosphorus, first of all, a double bond with O. Rest of oxygen will attach in the form of OH. Same goes here, POH, POH. Now look, phosphorus has 4 bonds, phosphorus has 4 bonds. If we sketch a single bond here and here, it will satisfy both phosphorus and this oxygen also. Now the basicity turns out to be 4. And one more interesting thing, it contains POP linkage. It is also asked in very few exams how many of the given phosphorus oxyacids will have POP linkage. So the answer will be pyrophosphoric acid. Next is hypophosphoric acid, 2 phosphorus, P, P, 6 oxygens equally distributed among them, O, 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 O. Now 4 hydrogens to this side and to this side. Now let us start the bonding. Phosphorus and oxygen, the rule is a double bond, then rest of the oxygen will attach in the form of OH. Same goes here, and now look here, phosphorus has 4 bond, phosphorus has 4 bond. Let us unite these brothers, P, single bond P, everyone is satisfied. Now the basicity is turning out to be 4. Now come or metaphosphoric acid. It is very interesting, very important. We will discuss the primer HPO3 whole thrice. Now look very carefully. I will sketch a single unit of HPO3 first. Phosphorus, we have a double bonded oxygen, as the rule says, one OH and one oxygen. Now the second unit will be like phosphorus, a double bonded oxygen, an OH and an oxygen. The third unit will be like phosphorus with a double bonded oxygen, an OH and an oxygen. These are the three units of HPO3. In all the three cases, phosphorus has only 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us unite all these three to form the trimer. Now look here, this phosphorus and this oxygen, this one, this phosphorus and this oxygen, this bond, this phosphorus and this oxygen, this bond, and it is ready. Now if you look here, you will find that it has basicity 3 and number of POP linkages. How many POP linkages you can find? 1, 2 and 3. So POP linkages are also 3 here. So I hope you love it. In the next video, we will discuss the naming of all the acids. How will you know which one is meta, which is hypo, what is the meaning of pyro, or what does ortho signifies, and what is the oxidation state, and many other questions. So I hope you love it. Share this video with friends. Thank you for watching.